Here's another proportion. Notice it's 1 fraction equals 1 fraction. They're just uglier than usual fractions, but no problem. Whenever you've got 1 fraction equals 1 fraction, all you have to do is cross multiply. Let's get red. Imagine an x going through the equal sign. When you cross multiply, what you do is you multiply along the diagonals of the x. So I'm going to say 6 times 2x minus 1 equals 5 times 2x plus 8. And I'm going to solve that problem. Only it's not an x, it's an r, isn't it? Oh well. 6 times 2r minus 1 equals 5 times 2r plus 8. Now I'm going to distribute here. That will give me 12r minus 6. And over here I'll have 10r plus 40. Now this is a mixed equation. I need to get my variable terms together on one side of the equal sign and my constant, which are pure number terms, together on the other side of the equal sign. So I'm going to subtract 10r from both sides of the equal sign, from both sides of the equation. 10r minus 10r is 0. I'm left with a 40. Over on the left side, 12r minus 10r is 2r, and I bring down my minus 6. Don't forget to bring the minus sign with the 6. Now I have a variable term, a constant term, and a constant term. I need to get this negative 6 over there to the 40. Remember, this is 2r plus negative 6 equals 40. So I'm going to add positive 6 to both sides of the equation because negative 6 plus positive 6 equals 0. And I'll be left with 2r equals 46. Now I have 2 times r equals 46. To undo the 2. To get r by itself, I divide by 2. I divide by 2. 2 over 2 is 1. I'll have 1r equals 23. So r equals 23. Does it? Let's check it. Back in the original equation. You always have to go back to the original equation, as mean as that feels. Okay, and I'm going to put 23 in there. 2 times 23 plus 8 over 6. And I'm going to hope that that equals 2 times 23 minus 1 over 5. I'm going to do this in parts in the calculator. Watch what I do. I am going to calculate the top separately. I'm not going to bring in the divide by 6. Here I'm going to say 2 times 23 plus 8, enter, then divide it by 6. Over here I'm going to say 2 times 23 minus 1, enter, then I'll divide it by 5. That will keep me from making a mistake. Okay, so we're going to have 2 parentheses 23 parentheses closed plus 8, enter. And I'm going to divide that by 6, and I get 9. Let me write that down over here. Now, on the other side, I'll have 2 parentheses 23 parentheses closed minus 1, enter, is 45 divided by 5. Divided by 5, enter. That's 9. Hurrah! Okay, what our proof showed is that 9 equals 9. That's true. It's the true I'm looking for. The true over here means that r equals 23 is really my answer. So now I know that the answer to this problem, the solution to this problem,